First type in facebook.com. Click on Create New Account. Fill in your name, birthday, gender, mobile phone number or email address, and a password. Click on Sign Up. After that, you will get the code in your email. Copy it. Write the code down. Click on Continue. Click on the pop-up in the bottom left. And your account is ready.